एक बार आप लोग इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड की प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा। इकोनॉमिकली, वीकर सेक्शंस, रजिस्ट्रेशन होल्डर, गारंटी, कंपनसेशन, अवेलेबिलिटी, वायबिलिटी, कंपल्सरी, ऑटोमेटिकली, एप्लीकेशन, एप्लीकेंट, न्यूज़पेपर्स, एंटरटेन्ड और कंसील्ड। इसमें देखिए आप यूपी और उत्तर प्रदेश आया होगा, तो आप ये उत्तर प्रदेश जब पूरा आएगा तो उत्तर प्रदेश ये कर लीजिएगा, और जब यूपी आएगा तो सिर्फ यू और पी कर लीजिएगा। और थोड़ा सा थ्रू द लाइन जाके और ये कर लीजिएगा तो ये त्रिपुरा हो जाएगा आपका। तो ये आपका हो जाएगा उत्तर प्रदेश, ये हो जाएगा आपका, अगर यू और पी सिर्फ आएगा तो यूपी, और ये त्रिपुरा। फाइव, फोर, थ्री, टू, वन। In 1982, the appellant floated a scheme for economically weaker sections. The respondent deposited an amount of rupees 500 initially in 1982 for registration. Later, in 1985, an additional amount of rupees 500 was deposited when the registration fee was enhanced to rupees 1000. Clause 5 of the registration booklet provided as follows: the registration of a person does not in any way confer any right or guarantee that the board is bound to allot a plot or house to him, nor will he be entitled to claim any compensation if he is not allotted the property as desired by him. The appellant is governed by the UP Awas Evam Vikas Parishad Registration and Allotment of Plots and Houses Rules 1979. Rule 15 provides as follows: Board is not bound to allot the house, plots to every registration holder. Those who are not allotted the land, house by the board are not entitled to claim the dues amount spent. Rule 30 contains the following stipulations: sending application form, written consent is necessary. In the event of availability of property in any scheme, intimation to effect shall be published in newspapers through advertisement, or written intimation shall be sent to the registered persons through registered post or both means of communication. Apart from description of available proper, date of allotment, draw, place and time shall also be mentioned in the said written intimation. Application form is prescribed format shall be available at the place mentioned in the aforesaid intimation, as well as in the office of State Management Officer of the city. Merely getting his/her name registered with the Parishad. The name of a registered person shall not automatically be included in the lottery draw. It would be compulsory for the registered person to submit written consent letter in prescribed format for each and every scheme before the date of lottery draw, so that his/her name could be included in the draw. Application form can also be sent through registered post so as to reach in the concerned office before the last date. The Parishad shall not responsible for postal delay. The willing buyer must ensure that he is providing true and correct information in the application form. Incomplete and conditional form shall not be entertained. At any point of time, if it is found that the applicant has concealed any vital relevant fact or has provided incorrect information as application form shall be subject to rejection, and if a plot or house has already been allotted to him, her, the housing commissioner shall come the power to cancel his allotment and to make deduction and to impose fine as provided in Rule 45. Priority will be given to the willing buyers whose registration was done in first phase over those who were registered in the second phase. Similarly, persons registered in the second phase shall get priority over the buyers registered in the third phase, etc., provided that the Parishad shall reserve the right to invite application for allotment from registered persons of any one phase or more than one phase of any scheme. The Parishad further reserves the right to grant liberty to a particular class to participate in the registration phase. The particular class so granted liberty shall take benefit of priority in the registration phase. Example, willing buyers of reserved class who were registered in the first phase shall get priority over those reserved class buyers who were registered in the second phase. इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म आ रहा है, तो ये रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म होगा तो उसको फर्स्ट से एफ से काट दीजिएगा, और एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म होगा तो उसको भी एफ से काट दीजिएगा. थैंक यू.